Hi, I'm Jill Condra. I'm the product marketing manager at GE Appliances for dishwashers. So our GE Profile lineup is actually loaded with a lot of great features, a lot of great washing features. The targeted wash on every level, we have our deep clean silverware jets that you see here. So you have these dedicated jets under the silverware basket that are gonna really just get that silverware super clean. In the middle rack, we have our bottle wash jet. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to fit your hand in some of these skinnier bottles. This allows you to get that extra dedicated wash. And then your top rack has got your deep clean washing top rack. So anything, spatulas with egg, avocado, anything that's gonna be extra hard to clean, you can put it in this area and it's gonna get that extra targeted wash. All of our GE Profile dishwashers are ENERGY STAR qualified, so they meet the version 7 of ENERGY STAR. So once you're selecting that normal cycle, it's gonna use the normal cycle as well as the heated dry. In addition to all these great features, this dishwasher is super quiet. It runs at a super low 39 dBA. We're using 2 fans that are actually gonna help pull that moisture out of the dishwasher and give those dishes extra dry, especially those plastics that are hard to dry. One of our critical notifications that we can give is around our leak defense with Active Flood Protect. So let's say the dishwasher senses that the dishwasher is leaking. First off, it's gonna shut down the system, but then the homeowner is gonna get a notification within their phone and it'll lead them to a way of how they can fix their dishwasher. So one additional feature that our Profile lineup has is our Ultra Fresh system. So once you select the Ultra Fresh, it's gonna run in the background and it's going to refresh your dishwasher between cycles. So it's using our Drain, Dry, Defend technology, and it's going to make sure that that dishwasher stays fresh with our microban antimicrobial protection that helps prevent against odor-causing bacteria. We're not gonna limit you to the cycles that we have here on the controls anymore. We're gonna add additional cycles within the app and you're gonna land it right there on the custom cycles. We just launched these and we've come out with 2 of our custom cycles. The first one is a rinse cycle and that's just gonna actually rinse the dishes. The second one is in partnership with P&G. We have our Cascade Platinum Plus cycle. So you use the Cascade detergent with our Cascade Platinum Plus cycle, you get optimal wash and dry performance for up to 30 minutes faster.